The Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, is increasing its use of technology to fight crime. Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson gave an update at a JCF virtual press brief this week. The police chief says ballistics of seized firearms are being recorded and compared.
And so we have software that can tie firearms and their uses to particular places and so on. And it gives us a picture that we work with.
He says the force is working with partners overseas to find out the source of illegal firearms imported into Jamaica.
Who may have sent them to Jamaica. So it's really an end-to-end process that we look at, and we have had convictions relatively recently in the U.S. from joint investigations that are done between us and police forces in the U.S. Obviously, we work with the ATF, Alcohol, Tobacco and Firearms, in the U.S. and their databases to also track these weapons.
Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey further explained how the system works locally.
We have a system whereby we categorize firearms as wanted firearms, and we have actually linked 57 recovered firearms to 163 cases, and there are 230 wanted firearms that are linked to 662 cases.
DCP Bailey says last year at this time it was 538 hits. In February this year, Prime Minister Andrew Holness announced a new Get the Guns campaign. Under the initiative, a reward system was put in place where between $250,000 and $500,000 should be paid for illegal weapons. He appealed to persons in possession of illegal guns to give them up. He also urged persons with information to share it with the police.